Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. In the previous session, we studied the topic at the market. In that we have solved some practice questions and we have learned subtraction, addition, multiplication and division of decimals. And the topic practice time math this. In this, you have learned how to convert rupee into paise. Let us continue with the topic colorful design. Children, here you can see one colorful design, means one sheet which is divided in 10 equal strips, and these strips are colored with different color like blue, yellow, green, black and white. And here are given some questions. Let us solve these questions. Question: what part of this sheet is colored blue? So children, you can see here total how many strips are there? 10, and they all are colored with different color. Here you have to see blue color. So how many strips are blue? Only one. So out of 10 strips, only one strip is blue. So here it is 1/10. So 1/10 part of this sheet is colored blue. We can write here 1/10. Then question: what part of the sheet is green? Children, you can see here how many strips are green out of 10 strip? 1, 2 and 3. So what part it is? 3/10, 3/10 part. Then which color covers 0.2 of the sheet? Children, as we know 0.2, this is in decimal form. If we convert it in fraction form, it will be 2/10. So here which color are 2? You can see here red color. So red color covers 0.2 of the sheet. Now, the blue strip is 0.1 of the sheet. Yes, blue strip is 0.1 of the sheet, because it is 1/10 part of the sheet. 0.1 also we can write as 1/10. So 1/10 part of the sheet is colored blue. Now look at the second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. How many boxes are there in all? Children, you can see here the sheet with different colors. This sheet is divided into 10 equal strips, and each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. That means here 10, 1 time 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So total how many boxes are there in all? 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Now question is each box 100 part of the sheet? Yes, each box is 100 parts of the sheet, because there are total 100 parts. So each box is 100 part of the sheet. So we can write here yes. Now how many blue boxes are there? If you count here, how many blue boxes are there? So children, count here how many blue boxes? Obviously 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Now is blue equal to 10 100 of the sheet? We saw that blue is also equal to 1/10 of the sheet. We wrote it as 0.1 of the sheet. Is blue equal to 10 100th of the sheet. Yes, we can write blue as 10th hundred of the sheet because these 10 boxes are blue out of 100 boxes. So we can write 10 upon 100 of the sheet. So yes, is blue equal to 10 100 of the sheet? Yes, we have written as yes because there are 10 boxes are blue out of 100 boxes. So yes, we saw that blue is also equal to 1/10 of the sheet. Yes, we can write 10 upon 100 here, and if we cancel this 0 0, if we cut this 0 0, there will be 1 upon 10th, and this fraction form also we can write in decimal as 0.1. So these all are equal. 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. That means we can write 10 100 of the sheet is blue. So we can write that 10 100 part of the sheet is colored blue, or 1/10 part of the sheet is colored blue, or 0.1 of the sheet is blue. Now let us move on to the next page, number 141. As earlier I have explained, can we say 10 100 is equal to 1/10 is equal to 0.10 is equal to 0.1. So here answer is yes. Think, can we write 10 paise as 0.1 of a rupee? 10 paise is 10 100th of rupee. So if we cancel this 0 0, so we can write it as 0.1 of a rupee. That we have studied in the topic practice time, match this. Now how many boxes are red? What part of the sheet is this? So children, let us count how many boxes are red. See here, these are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. As mentioned in the question, that each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. So here 10 boxes of red, and here how many? 5. 1 2 3 4 5 boxes. So 10 plus 5, 15 boxes are red. So we can write here answer 15 upon 100. So here we can write 15 boxes are red. And what part of the sheet is this? So this is 15/100th part of the sheet. So 15 upon 100. Can we also write it as 0.15 of the sheet? Yes, because 15 upon 100 is in fraction. If we want to write in decimal, we can write it as 0.15. That means it is 0.15 of the sheet. So 15 upon 100 also we can write as 0.15 of the sheet. Remember, we wrote 99 paise as 0.99 rupee. In the topic practice time, match this. We have written 99 upon 100 is equal to 0.99 rupee. 99 upon 100 is equal to 0.99. Now don't get confused. 0.10 is the same as 0.1. Yes, because we write 0.10 in fraction form, then 10 upon 100, and if we cancel this 0 0, it will be 0.1. So don't get confused. 0.10 is the same as 0.1. This 50 paisa is rupee 0.50 and also rupee 0.5. So these are also same. 50 paise is equal to 15 upon 100 rupee is equal to 0.50. And if we cancel this 0 0, we can also write it as 0.5. So these all are same. 50 paise is equal to rupee 50 hundredth or rupee 0.50 or rupee 0.5. Now 300 of the sheet is black. We can say 0. Sheet is black. So we can write 0.03 sheet is black, because here 3 upon 100. 3 upon 100, and if we write it in decimal, there should be 2 digit after decimal point. So here 10.03. So 0.03 sheet is black. Now how many white boxes are there in the sheet, and what part of the second sheet is white? So let us count how many white boxes are there in the sheet. So if you count here, there are 10 boxes of this strip is white, then here other 1 2 3 4 5 boxes, so 10 plus 5 15, plus this 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So total how many boxes are white? 22 boxes are white. So let us write the answer here. So how many white boxes are there in the sheet? 22. And what part of the second sheet is white? We can write 22 upon 100. So 22 hundredths part of the sheet is white. Now here make a nice design by coloring 0.45 part of this square red. So here this is in your homework. You have to make a design by coloring any 45 boxes red, and here use 4 color. Each color should cover 0.05 of this square, and in this you can use 4 color. Any 4 color you can use, and each color should cover 0.05 of this square. That means 5 squares you can color with different color. Now next topic we will study in the next session. So children, here is the end of this session. We have solved practice question. So write this practice question in your fair book and practice for this question. Thank you.